Oh, baby.
Jamie, you're so gay. Accent, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Oh, it's so deep. What else? Oh god.
Yay.
Queef. Queef. Mikey, look up.
When sperm attack.
Look up.
You're gay.
Mikey, look up.
Oh my god, a flying sperm.
Oh.
That came out of my ass.
Let's see what he does. What does he do? This is Animal Planet.
Yeah, fuck you guys.
Attack of the Philippines.
No damn animals.
This is Animal Planet.
You guys are such girls.
Animal Planet.
Do you have one?
We have the rarest kind of animal around.
Suck it. You can't fuck it. Look at that brown. Tiny. Fuck you. Chode bear. I mean cub. Cub. It has glasses, as you can see. It's a smart bear. A wise bear. An ugly bear.
Who shoved this few plastic bags in your ass?
Look how futurific it is. Saying shoving things up my puwit, aka butthole. Hole of an ass of a hole. Yes, those white stuff I just threw at him came out of my yoo-hoo. Yes, attack. Attack. It's all over you. What do you do? What do you do, huh? Share it with your girlfriend. That's what you
girlfriend?
do. Oh, you're single? You're single? Get a girl.
Get a girl.
Then you know what you do with the girl? You say hi. How do you pause it?
You can't pause, you just stop it.
Oh.